What is pitfall number 2 for why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share with us the common reason number 2 why people are failing and not successful in their New Year's resolution. And this is unrealistic expectations. It's the end of the year. Everyone starts talking about New Year's resolutions. And there are people who are saying, this is it. This year, I'm changing my life. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to run. I'm getting fit. And I'll run 5K next month. Or I will lift 200 kilos just next month. And it's like we are putting so big goals, and we are not able to reach them. And we are disappointed because we are not following through, and we just stop thinking about this and we're back to our normal life. What are the reasons for that? So when we're talking about expectations, there are a couple of things we have to be mindful of. The first one is we have to assess where we are at the moment, where we in the beginning of our journey. If I've never run in my life, I've never run even a half a mile, how am I going to run 5K next month? It's not realistic. It's not acceptable at all. That's why the first step is assess where you are at the moment. See where you're starting your journey of change. And the other key point is number 2 is just set up milestones in the middle of the journey. If you set yourself in a goal for 3 months, just maybe every 2 or 3 or 4 weeks, put a milestone. Instead of saying, I'll be running 5K next month, maybe you can say, I'll be running 5K in April. And because I have 3 months till then, for the first 2 weeks, my goal, little goal, which is part of the bigger goal, is to run half a mile. And just think about this, set it up, go for it, do the necessary things. If this is your tool to get fit this year, and do it in a smaller, achievable steps. And every milestone will be like a stepping point to go to the next one. And this is where the confidence comes. When you achieve the smaller goal in the bigger one, then you get much more confident and you can go and go and go. And this is really important for yourself. First, estimate where you are in your life. The second thing is really important. Set up a milestones and just go for it. The third one is just celebrate. It's really important to celebrate even the small victories, the small progress. Try to progress more and be realistic with your goals. And this is what we're going to talk more about it in our training program. But the second reason why people are not achieving their goals, they're shooting too high and they're too low in different areas in their life. And it's really hard to get from point A to point B where they want to go. And it's unrealistic. People are disappointed and they're just quitting their New Year's resolutions. However, if we set up realistic goals, that's why it's important to set up realistic goals. So we know that with a little stretching, with a little bit going further, with a little bit more effort, we can achieve with the smaller steps to achieve the bigger goal. And then we will make it realistic and we can have the right expectations and not be disappointed and fail our New Year's resolution, but to really achieve it step by step. This is the best way we can do it. Milestones, success, joy, and celebration of every progress we are doing in our life. And this is the way it would happen. So this was pitfall number 2. What is pitfall number 3? I'll share with us in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you soon.